guys, welcome back. So in this session we are going to talk about different kind of language exists in computers. So for example, if you want to talk with the computer we know only understand binary, that is 0 or 1, right? So for example, you want to say hello to the computer gonna not gonna understand what is the mean by hello. It gonna understand the same hello, for example in 010101 like that, on and off. So how this language hello like human language is converted, like human readable language is converted into the machine readable language, like computer or binary language, or that is also called low level language like 001 like something. There is a translator in the middle of both of them. So this translator actually does what? It convert whatever the thing you are telling to the language which whatever the computer understand. Okay, so that is a like middleman. That is like something translator. For example, you are a Indian guy, or example you are an English guy wanna talk with a Japanese guy who only understands the Japanese. What you need? You need a person who understands the both, right? So for example, you deliver the message in English. That particular guy knows the English, will convert whatever the message you are delivering to him into the language whatever he understood, and after that he will convert the language whatever the required party will understand and will send back to him. After that, what happened? He will give him output. The output will be given in the same 0101 format, means in the Japanese format the output will come, and again that Japanese output will be again converted by him into the output, for example English whatever you understand. So that is the role of a translator. So here the same thing happens. So whatever the language that computer understand is called low level language. Low level language. Okay. Or it's also called binary language. You can tell, right? Because it's the things are in binary. Okay. We can also include it is also called machine language. Machine language. Okay. Now, what is that? That is called middle level language. The language which is used in the middle is called middle level language. Okay. And it is also called assembly language. Okay. Okay, and whatever the things which we talk in the human understandable format is called high level language or English language, high level language, right? It's like English kind of language, not completely English, but yeah, almost English. For example, we want to add two numbers in high level language. All the language which you are using, C, C++, which I told earlier, all are high level language. So if you want to add something in high level language, how you will add generally? I'm just giving the syntax, like you will add, for example, C equals to A plus B, like that. This is the syntax generally we use. For example, A having 10, B having 20, the output will save to C. So this is the way you add the things in high level language. In the middle level language, the things are a little different. It could be like, I know you guys don't know assembly level language, so don't worry. I just show you how it actually look like. So like move, and it will look like H comma A, H comma A, for example, but data in A, so we will do L, for example, LDA. Let me choose a memory location. 2050 is a memory location. Then after that we will write LDA 2051. Let me say a second memory location is there, means second variable. Okay, add H. So what it will do actually, just say for example, there is this is not my job to explain you the assembly level language in the C programming, but little bit, like little bit, let me explain you. Say there are two memory location, like 2050. It's very easy actually. When I was in university, I used to learn this machine level language as well. Say 2051. So for example, this having a content 10, actually this will you will load using the hardware directly in the system. So what is meaning by this? LDA, load the accumulator, whatever the content of 2050 inside the accumulator. Accumulator is nothing but a register. So A is a register. So let me draw a diagram. A is a register. I am using another register. That register name is, come on, you just come. And that register name is H. H is the register. H is the register, and I'm telling, can you please load the content of memory location 2050 in the accumulator? So what it will do, it will come from this location to the accumulator. So now what the accumulator will have? Now accumulator have a value 10. Now what is my next command? Move A into the H, means whatever the content of A, can you please move to the memory location or register H? So this 10 will go inside there. So here again the value will be 10, and its move means cut and paste, guys. So what will now, this 10 is completely removed from here. So let me remove it. Okay, now 10 is here. This is vacant. So let me load it. How I will load it? Can you please load the content of 2051 into the accumulator? So it will load the accumulator to the accumulator. The content of 2051 means 20 is here, guys. Now 10 is there, 20 is there. Now its addition is very easy. I am writing add h. So by default, add h in machine level language. I'm just explaining a little. Means a equals to a plus h. That's the syntax. For now, if you don't know, just let it be like that. So you should, you need to believe in me, then only you will understand. So a equal to a plus h means the content of a is 10, sorry 20, and the content of h is 10. So the content will be 30. So the new content of a will be updated with what? With 30. So it will be 30 now. So I hope you guys are clear how the addition will work. And in this kind of programming, in high level programming, how you will do, you will first store the value. Like before writing this thing, let me remove this. The same thing you will write there, like that. What you will write? You are writing the same kind of thing, like, let me take a equals to 10, then again you will do put semicolon, then you will do b equals to 20, and you will put a semicolon, and again you will do c equals to a plus b, like that, and you will print the value of c like that. So this is the high level language. You can see how easy it is, right? So how easy it is, because it's human readable, it's English. It's a little bit complex because it's in the middle, but the complexity will be high when you go for the low level language. And though it's low, but it's really high complex. It's high means it's very low complex. Okay, this is machine language. So in the machine language, the same thing can be represented. Could be, I really don't know how it will be represented, but it will be represented like something. This means A, for example. This means plus, and for example, this means B. So in this way, this is means A plus B, like that something. I'm really not sure what it will look like. So this is the we real in real time scenario we actually work. Okay, in real time scenario the things actually work like that. Whatever the code we are writing in real time scenario, we are writing the code in high level. In the high level language, the code is converted in assembly level language, and from the assembly level language, the code is converted into the binary language. I hope, guys, this conversion is clear for you for now. So, guys, this particular translator actually is called assembler. That's the term you actually use, assembler. This is the most common term you use in the programming. So if I am talking about assembler, means who assembles, I am talking about this particular middleman, means this particular minion who is going to convert the code into the language which computer understands. So assembler is the someone who understands the middle level language, and it assembles the high level language and assemble it to the low level language. That is binaries, that is 0 or 1, or machine level language. So this is all about how machine level work, what are the different languages, how you will do whatever the programming you will do, it will go via assembler, and then it will go to the particular computer system. So this is all about the three different types of language available in the system. So we will talk more, guys. I really understand and I really appreciate your patience, because you guys are with me means you have the courage of learning, and that deep fire is definitely gonna help you, and you're gonna definitely gonna learn something best out of this course. So today, just like I told, I don't think you will forget and get confused in the future. Like if the like trainer or somebody like interviewer like ask you what is a sampler, how the things will work, because you know the flow in the terms of diagram, and the human don't forget the diagram. So that's why I follow the follow the method. I show the things rather than writing or showing a slide. That's actually, I really hate that. Being honest, I really hate that. Showing the text messages. No, of course not. I want to represent the things in real like scenario. So this is like that. So I hope guys, I hope you enjoyed this session and you understood the things. So we will discuss the rest of the things in next upcoming class. And for today, just let me conclude the session over here. So see you soon.